Welcome to 37 South Street in one of Maine's most iconic towns of Yarmouth Village. This historic home has been reimagined and is a masterpiece by Nicola of Nicola's Home. Come take a look. Originally built in 1858, this historic home has been brought back to life for today's buyer, but it retains a number of its original details from back in the 1800s, such as this door is an original door with an original doorbell. As you enter through the original front door of this home, you are greeted by a warmth that envelops you, thanks to a lot of the design choices by Nicola. This home radiates so much light and joy because right now it is right in afternoon, and the amount of daylight through these tall windows give it just, even with if we had the lights off, it really wouldn't make a huge difference. It's very bright and cheerful. As we step this way, we're in this sitting area, part of the living space, the living room. And it's cozy, it's quaint. All these windows are all new. They're Anderson 400 series, top of the line, very efficient. On the outside, they match what the town of Yarmouth required to make sure that this home stayed true to its original design. So while we're in the living room area here, this has been opened up, but at the same time there is separation. You feel that there are spaces within this home. And one of the spaces is right here in front of this double-sided fireplace, which creates this openness yet also cozy feeling. It's of a much larger scale than you see of most gas fireplaces. There is natural gas here at this property. It's public water, public sewer. So you have all the utilities that give you some peace of mind you don't have to worry about. But this home just is so charming, and these wood details with these beams just soften the space also. It flows into, you have this dining space here. It's beautiful wallpaper behind us here that was custom to the space. As we continue on from the dining area through this passageway and we're now on the other side of the double-sided fireplace, which does have this beautiful granite detail that just adds another element into the feel here, where there is a lot of wood that helps soften things, and that just adds another nice detail, another earthy material. We enter into the kitchen, which is very open, very inviting, very warm, thanks to this white oak cabinetry mixed in with, you do have some more traditional whiter elements. On the end of this long island, you have this butcher block countertop. This is a marble. It's actually an American marble sourced from Vermont called Danby. You have a single bowl, large, oversized sink here. And you are right, it's easy access for you to turn, and you have this 36-inch Wolf gas range. So you don't have a hood that's always kind of hanging over you. You do have a pop-up hood, a downdraft, I should say, that will pop up when you need it. And when you don't need it, you just turn it off and it goes back down. But these windows behind the range, you have these 5 large Anderson windows that just also allow a lot of natural light. Like right now, it's around 1:30 in the afternoon. The sun is right over there, and you have this great glow going on. On either end of the kitchen here, we do have sub-zero refrigerators and freezer drawers. So just off the kitchen, we have the breakfast nook. And this space allows so much natural light as well, and thanks to more tall windows, this beautiful sliding glass door, which opens up to brings the outside in. You have this beautiful, what you can't see at the moment, lawn, which was sodded. And there are these granite steps that were originally part of the original foundation. When Nicola started the project, had the home lifted, took out the old foundation, had a new one poured, and repurposed a lot of the original granite around the home. So as we step out of the breakfast nook, we come into the mudroom space. There's a pocket door here, but it can close off and you don't necessarily have to look at it, it's out of the way. So through this door, just off the mudroom, is the garage, 2-car garage. And just a couple steps beyond is this, probably the most beautiful powder room I have ever seen. One of my favorite elements of 37 South Street is the custom 4x8 door that was designed by Nicola, built for Nicola's home, and you find it in some of her very special projects. Made in Maine, it really adds another elevated level of detail and sets this home apart. So I'm standing at the top of the steps that go down to the lower level. It's just beyond the kitchen, right around the living area here. And this way it's set up makes it very much feel a part of the living space because it's not closed off and it feels very open to the downstairs. So let's take a look. So you've one of 2 finished rooms in the lower level. This has a small bar area here. You have a sub-zero beverage center. This could be a great theater, home theater. This could be a great exercise room. Possibilities are endless. There is one other room just around the corner here. Could also be a great workspace. You also do have, it is set up with an egress window here that someone could access the outside. So technically, this could be another bedroom. While the inside of 37 South Street is very much a brand new home, taken to the studs, there are certain elements that were retained that add to that historic charm, such as this beautiful spiral staircase that leads you to the second level. So come take a look. So on the second level, this is where all the bedrooms are. As we walk down the main hallway of the second floor, we have a bedroom with a full ensuite bath. We have a bathroom off the hallway, which is connected to one of the bedrooms. To my left, your right, there is a small bedroom / office. This is one of the other bedrooms on this level, which has the connection to that bathroom. In the hallway, we actually have the laundry space. We have the Miele top of the line washer dryer package here. And we have these beautiful built-ins for your laundry linen storage. As we come through these historic doors, we enter into the primary suite. So the primary suite has 2 closets, one on one side, and then you have this closet here with this pass-through space into the primary bathroom. This primary bath features that beautiful marble, these incredible cabinetry, the fixtures that were chosen. You have the waterworks fixtures and a beautiful marble shower. Thank you for coming on this tour of 37 South Street here in the heart of Yarmouth Village. If you'd like more information, please reach out to Allie or myself, and we'd love to get you in.